Hello everybody, in this video we'll be seeing how to install TEKLA 2023 version. We'll be installing the authentic version but not the pirated version because TEKLA themselves offer their 2023 version to students for free for a year. This can be used for educational purposes but not for commercial use. Now let's begin the process. The prerequisite is that you will be needing to form a new login username and password. Go to your browser and search up for TEKLA Student Login. Click on the link that pops up first. Click on Create a Trimble ID and select Everywhere Else. Now fill out the details that are asked for and click Next. The verification code will be sent to the entered email. Type that in here and click Submit. Now, type in the desired password and click Submit. Select your desired country, language and click Submit. Now, fill your profile as shown in the video. Now your profile is saved. Now, activate your license to access the application from this account. Follow the steps as shown in the video. TEKLA's website and application are pretty slow, so please have patience throughout the entire process. Need not think of any PC issues and all that. First, we'll download the application and in the meantime we'll also install the environment. Click on the Next button at the last and download the required environments. Here, I am downloading US and UK environments. All the files are now downloaded. Hence, we'll proceed to the installation. We'll install the software first, then the environment. Follow the steps as shown. Now the software is installed. Let's proceed to install the environment. The environments too are now installed. Now we shall test the application. This is now fully functional. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more content.